The purpose of this program is to assist you to create your projects effortlessly and in a swift way with the detailed instructions provided from A to Z, which allow construction projects to be great, quick, and easy forever. You can quickly get the precise cutting and lists of the materials that are required for your projects, so buying it in the right amount will not be a problem. For this reason, there is no need to squander money on bad wood and awful materials. It is just to preserve time as well as minimizing waste. Bottom line, your hard-earned money will be saved, and you will not waste time building your projects. You don't need to guess when it comes to this program because every plan consists of a colorful and clear scheme. Irrespective of the level of details, if the directives are clear, it will be easy for all the pieces to click together. Either you are a beginner or a skilled woodworker, your project can be completed faster than the common ones. Before you start building your project, you can see how it looks. All level of competencies and skills are covered by our plans, and using expensive machines to implement our ideas will not be needed since you will be a principal woodworker. Click the descriptive link below to watch the video tutorials specific to you.